Hey, hello, and Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas from Kuma's Kitchen. I brought this out early because I want to go over some sort of roundup of Christmas recipes for you, and hopefully that you'll be able to do some of these for Christmas. I'm not cooking anything for Christmas this year because I'm doing tours every day. Yeah, I just got roped into one more for Christmas Day. So I won't be cooking this year, but I'd like you to be cooking. So here's some of the recipes. Let's round them up. Let's bring them up beside me here. So first of all, we got the roast chicken and chestnut stuffing casserole. Now that is absolutely fantastic. Best part being the stuffing. I make this every year, so really it is something that everybody looks forward to. Try this for yourself. It is fantastic. It is delicious. Beats the heck out of turkey. Go for it. Now let's see. For the other thing I was make is a Christmas chestnut soup with brandy. Now the chestnut soup is fantastic, and when you add the brandy, it gives it a little kick of flavor and all. It is absolutely great. Christmas cookies, yeah. Make sure you get some of those Christmas cookies done. We've got the Swiss Christmas Brunsli. These are fantastic. The Spitzbüebli, like little jewels. The Canuck butter tarts, yeah. That takes me back to my days in Canada. Christmas cranberry and white chocolate cookies. Those are quite good. The gingerbread loaf with the hot buttered rum sauce. Oh, I should make that again this year. I haven't had time, but that is definitely one of my favorites. The gingerbread house village. Those are always fun, especially if you've got kids. You know, decorating the gingerbread house is a lot of fun. Christmas shortbread bars. We just did those a couple weeks ago. They were fantastic. I'm gonna make more of those. And then the brandied apple and walnut fruitcake. Now I did that a couple of weeks ago, and I've been branding it every week. I'm opening them up tomorrow for Christmas. So, gonna try those out. All right, there's also there's more too. Check down below. I've got a list down below there in the description. You can, with links to each video, so you can easily go check them out. I've also got for drinks. There was the white Christmas hot chocolate. Ooh, yeah, that was quite nice. Did that a couple years ago. Fortified Glühwein. I've got a friend I go hiking with, and that's the first thing he always asks. Did you bring some of that hot wine of yours? Yes, especially on a winter hike. It's absolutely fantastic. Good to have at home too. I'll be making up a pot of that for Christmas Eve. Hot Buttered Rum. Yes, of course. Hot Buttered Rum is something I can't go any winter without. And there's a couple more on there. So again, check out down below. Please do try some of the recipes for Christmas. And for you and your family, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from me and my wife Rieko. And all the guinea pigs and everything else at Kuma's Kitchen. All right.